Hello. So we started our journey towards Ooty now from Abhayaranyam guest house, and we are in Masanagudi route towards Ooty today. So yeah, look at the nature. We started around 8:30 in the morning. Yeah. Now we are entering Nilgiri mountain ghats in Masanagudi Ooty route. This is very narrow road, and there are a lot of hairpin bends, and moreover the road is very steep. So if you are an expert driver, then only take this route. Otherwise you have one more route from the Gudalur side. Yeah, we are on the way to Solur viewpoint. Map is telling that it might be closed, but we are giving it a try. Don't know how the view is also. We are just giving it a try. And road is also not great. It's a very narrow road, and last stretch of around 700 meters is mud road. There is no concrete road or asphalted road. And you can see I have parked the car over there. It was so slippery, I didn't take the risk of getting my vehicle, even though I would have tried, but I didn't take the risk. You can see how the road is, because if we get stuck it will be a problem. So we are just walking to the viewpoint. It's around 500 meters. Let's see. Now the road seems to be good actually. Viewpoint ಹೇಳೋದು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗೆ 1.5 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ கார் வருமா? வண்டி போகும் போகாது. அதெல்லாம் பார்க்க நல்லா இருக்கு. அது இது மாதிரி கட்டிட்டாங்க. வியூ பாயிண்ட் மாதிரி, டவர் மாதிரி. Let me try to get my car. வண்டி இருக்குங்களா? வண்டி இருக்கு. ரோட் சைடுல பார்த்து வாங்க. அங்க பார்க் பண்ணிருக்கேன். வண்டி வரும். சரி. So as I spoke to the local people here, they told that I can get my vehicle. So let me give a try, because the road here seems to be good. Only around 50 meter stretch is not so great. Let me try. Later I got to know that there is also one more route from Ooty to this place, but I didn't try that. And even the Google map location is not correct. It was showing around 750 meters from this place, but actual watchtower is around 3 kilometers from here. Yeah, successfully we reached the viewpoint. If you can see, there is around 200 meters to the viewpoint from here. There is a watchtower, and there is no much parking over here, but 100 meters back there is parking for around 15-20 vehicles. You can park there. Let's go to the viewpoint and see the view. How is it? This is the watchtower. This is called Solur viewpoint. Let's see. But nobody is here. I don't know why. Only we two. It's like our private viewpoint. I don't know why people make these kind of things. Can keep it clean, but yeah, I'm not sure. So we are almost near to Ooty, and this is the view. We have not yet reached Ooty. This is called Solur. Hey, we are entering Ooty now. The sudden change of weather, we can feel it. It's almost 11 now, and the weather is so chilling here. Wow. We will get to see these pine trees all over Ooty. Those colorful and beautiful houses welcoming us to Ooty. What you see now is the farmland. Apart from the estates, the major crop in Ooty is carrot and beetroot. We just entered the Ooty Botanical Garden. So entry fee is 50 rupees per head, and it costs 50 rupees. Yeah, and timing is from morning 7 to evening 6:30. And even at mid noon, around 12:05 now, it is not so hot here. It's cool, and you can enjoy at any time. And don't forget to subscribe our channel if you have not already. Sudiksha, how do you feel about this botanical garden?
It's beautiful. Even it's 12:30, but still it feels so cold. Yeah, it's good.
Now we are entering the glass house inside botanical garden. They have beautifully organized these plants. These gardens and viewpoints are the major attraction in Ooty. So if you want to explore the other beautiful garden, that is Karnataka Siri Horticulture Garden in Ooty. You can spend easily half a day in Ooty Botanical Garden, and anytime you can visit this place, it will be cool. See the kids rolling in the lawn. They are enjoying it. Now we are in Kethi Valley viewpoint. This viewpoint is built by a private property on the way to Kunur from Ooty. They also have a telescope, and you can enjoy the beauty of Kethi Valley, and they'll also charge ₹10. And that's it for now, and we'll be posting more videos about Ooty. And thanks for watching Plan Travel Explore. Please do like, share and subscribe.